And for this, thank you so much to my BNY family. Happy Valentine's Day from me and my BNY family.
Yes, sa BNY family dyan. Salamat sa mga tulong nyo sinasabi sa kanya or ano, slogan ng fandom. Okay, go! Pangalan! Carl! Sana naiintindihan ko. Sabihin mo lang ano, sabihin mo lang maliwanag. Okay, natin. Thank you!
JP, ate ng Jared Cyril!
Ako hindi ko alam. Magtatanong siya as a friend. Okay, ikaw muna? What's up, Tony Jaro? Hindi alam ko alam ni Sabi Jared, Jared Cruz. Sorry, Jared and Jared Cruz. Alam niyo po ba? First of all, I want you to shake each other's hands. Shake each other's hands. You know what? Sometimes they feel like they're in competition with each other. And showing how much they love you. Oo. Diba? Pero, guys, kung tulong tayo na mapalawak ang fandom natin. Oo. So, it's just networking and having fun. Yun nga lang competition ko ngayon kasi maglalaro tayo. We're gonna do a trivia game challenge. I'm gonna explain. Okay, guys, nakulit. The mechanics of this game is I'm gonna ask a trivia question. Malamang alam nyo to, napakadali. About Jared, of course. Now, the first contestant to get the 2 points will get a gift pack from DNY. But don't worry, tatlo yung gift pack namin. So, tuloy-tuloy lang yung sagot nyo. Pag nakadalawa na, may gift pack na, pwede na umupil. Pwede na. Siyempre si Jared nagbibigay ng gift pack sa inyo. Okay. Jared, say hello to the audience of your
Hello
country.
guys, I've seen all these faces before. I recognize you. Are you guys ready? You know the facts about me?
They know! This will be so easy for them. Pero meron akong kailangan. Pwede ba ako humingi ng balloon?
Balon!
Or, yan. Balloon yan.
Kami nag-iip niya!
Ilalagay ko yung balloon. Ako, baka malaglag kayo dito, baka may nadapa. Where should I put this?
Kunin nila kay Jared! Kunin nila kay Jared!
One. Madudumog si Jared. One. Okay, I'll just put it in the middle. The person who gets that, when I say go. Pag sinabi ko go, the person who gets that gets a chance to answer. Pag nagkamali, ulitin ko. Okay. Can everyone do that? And nakatalikod. Wala, nakatalikod. Nakatuwad. Hindi, joke lang. Nakatuwad. Pwede mo pala kasama mo.
Jared!
Ang ingay nyo na kasi. Hindi ko na marinig yung sarili ko eh. Okay, Jared. I think they would like for you to ask the trivia question in Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Kaya mo?
Okay.
Tulungan natin ha. Okay, so papakita ko lang kay Jared yung tatanong niya.
Ano? Wait for the go.
Oo. Guys, pag sinabi kong go,